Hello everybody, this is Troy, and I just wanted to show a solve video of a single colored barrelX. You would think it's maybe easier because it's just all one color, but it actually presents a few different problems in parities and whatnot. So I'll go ahead and scramble this here. And I don't need to go too far here. That's probably sufficient. So solving this, just like the other one, I'll generally start with a sideways. So I'll start solving an X like this. So I'll find one of those centers, and now because it's just single color, there's a lot more pieces that can swap in. There are 4 edges that will match any edge position and everything, so that does make that easier. And so what you're doing is you're just forming this first X, and I can see that that's right there. So now let's put in our corners. And just like our edges, all our corners are interchangeable here. So whatever you can find. That's not the right orientation. That's not the right orientation. There we go. And here's one. Okay, so we've got our first layer here now. And next thing we want to do is our centers. We want to make these all be aligned properly. Now, this one may look correct on the video, but there's actually a little curve here, and this side's flat, and I know I want the flat side to be the top of my cylinder. So this needs to rotate 180 degrees. So we're going to move those pieces out of the way, and we're going to rotate that 180 degrees, and we're going to put them back. And so that piece is correct. Now this one, the flat piece is right here, so I need to go 90 degrees away from me. So I'm going to move them down, out of the way, and away from me. Put it back. There we go. And this one, the flat piece is right here, towards me. And I actually did that one wrong. Actually, that's got to go 90 degrees. Or 180 degrees. There we go. And this one is got to go 180 degrees. So once you've got your centers aligned, which I do now, I've got the curves and the flats in the right spot. Now I can start inserting these edges. This one's already correct. It is the curved piece. This is correct. It's the flat piece. And so I just need to do the final 2. This one is flat, so it's going to go here. Orientation isn't going to matter on the single color version. And actually orientation doesn't matter on the normal version either. But let's see here. Here's the curved version. And now we're about to see if we get our first parity issue. You can get a Fisher cube parities, and actually I do get the first one here. I've only got one of these aligned right, and these 3 are not. I should have 2 or 4. Since I've got the odd number here, I do need to deal with that. So this is a Fisher cube parity, and I'm going to solve that by pulling an edge out and flipping it over. So the algorithm this will do this, and now I have 2 oriented correctly and these 2 are not, so I'm going to align them. So now I have 4 of them in the right orientation. They're not necessarily correct yet for the cube. As a matter of fact, these 2 are correct, these 2 need to change. So now I did not get the other parity that is possible, And what that is that this center piece would be rotated 90 degrees. If it's rotated at 180 on this puzzle, it doesn't make a difference. It would be the same. But if it's 90, you would notice that the edges would be popped up a little bit here on this corner. And to rotate this 90 degrees, there's really no algorithm for it. So what you need to do is take out an edge piece and put it in on the other side, and then take that one and put it in over here. So just do an insert edit of any edge up there, and then put it on the other side, and then put that one back, and that will fix that issue if that ever happens to you. So I just know that now these need to cycle. So this one needs to go here, this one needs to go here. So I'm going to do that. And I think I went the wrong way here. I did. So now we've got these are correct. We've only got these two left to orient. So I'm just going to go ahead and orient them. And we will have a solved solid color barrelX. There you go. Hope you enjoyed this solve video. Thank you.